front of me is Motorola Moto G72, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this Motorola. You need to start by opening Play Store and typing in Samsung voice recorder. Then get this free app from this developer and open it. Now click on this X icon at the top right corner and click on this red button to start your recording. In order to use voice recorder app, you need to choose while using the app or only this time in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, recording is on. You can pause it or unpause it using the same red button. Now, in order to add a bookmark, click on the right one. Type in wherever you wish to or not at all and click on OK. In order to discard it right away, pause it, choose discard on the left and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to end it and save it though, click on the check mark instead. Then choose save at the top right corner. As you can see, my recording is over here. If you wish to create the other one, tap on this red button at the bottom right corner. If you want to play one of your recordings, click on it. And if you wish to rename it, click on those three dots, select rename option and type in wherever you wish to. Then tap on OK. In order to get rid of your recording though, you can hold it, click on this pin icon at the top right corner and then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Or select those three dots over here again, click on delete option at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!